an evening in my life in Bangalore. I have a couple of errands to run, so you can come along with me on it. Did you look at that butterfly? Honestly speaking, this vlog is going to be less about an evening in my life and more about a nostalgic journey into my childhood. So come along. First, I have to buy a dosa pan. The one at our home is very old. My mom still uses it, but it's not in the best of the shape and I don't like it. So we are going to first buy a dosa pan. This is the shop. We are finally here. Now let's go inside. And wait, before the pans, do you know what these machines are? All of these. I have one of these at my home in Germany, and also my mom has one. So if you don't know, these are wet grinders which are used to grind dosa or idli batters, and this shop sells them, the pans, cooker, everything. You name it, they have it. And now finally we look at the pans that we have come to buy. I just want one, probably from Prestige or Pigeon or something, and I will select one of these, and I've finally found the one I want. And now we're ready to bill and go for my next thing to do for this evening. Here is the city center mall. Spent a lot of money and lot of time here while I was in college. Yeah, it still looks really good. It has a good theater inside it. There are good places to eat, shop, and I've spent so much time here as a teenager. This is Mangalore KS Rao Road. I used to walk to my school via this road. I mean, now it has changed a lot, but earlier not much actually, to be very frank. It has not changed a lot. It used to look like this and still looks pretty much the same except for the concretized roads, and I cannot believe that I am walking on the same road as I used to walk while going to school. One more nostalgia story. This medical store, you can see medical shop. I don't think it was there here earlier. Instead there were these shops with chips, which used to sell chips or which used to sell cakes and everything, and I as a school going kid used to eat so much. I have eaten so many of those Lays and Cheetos from all these places. Here in this building, the entire building, there were a lot of such stores which used to sell Lays and Cheetos, and used to buy it every damn time. So why I came to Mangalore right now, we had stopped that in half. So I came to Mangalore because my mother was to have a planned surgery, a cataract operation, which happened on Monday. So that's why I flew on Friday and reached here on Saturday. So the surgery was successful. I did not shoot anything on the surgery day because my mom was not comfortable. And I think that's the best thing to do, not shoot her when she is uncomfortable, right? So I did not shoot anything. So the surgery is over now. She's at home, and there is a lot of other care I have to take care of her. That is put in eye drops every 2 hours. Then there are a few other eye drops that I have to put every once in a day, and then there is also tablets that she has to have. So yeah, I'm taking care of her. I'm also cooking, shopping. Actually dad does shopping, so I don't have to do much shopping, but I'm doing the cooking and everything for her and for my dad. So yeah, it's keeping me busy, but I still have to take care of my health and my well-being, right? For that, I'm planning to join a gym here or even a Pilates class in Mangalore. So that's where we are going to next. The stop 2 is Pilates class or gym. Let's see how it goes, and I will take you along with me on that. It's very difficult to vlog in Mangalore because there are so many vehicles on the road, so many people, and then the vehicles are all there is no direction or there is no rule for them. They're just parked anywhere. They're just coming from any direction, going on any direction. So it's very difficult to vlog, and I miss walking on the streets of Stuttgart and talking to my camera because it's so much fun. Only thing I have to worry about is people staring at me, but otherwise it's fun. But here I have to worry about vehicles, and a rickshaw already honked at me today because I was blocking his way. Apparently, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's how it is. We cannot do anything about it, but yeah. So first work done, buying tawa. Now second, finding the gym. That is the first part, finding where this gym is. I know it's in this area, but not exactly sure where, so I'll have to first find it and then visit it and see how it goes. Found the gym. Here it is, Kashar Fitness. Looks quite fancy and bougie, but let's see what's inside. Had a look at the gym, enrolled for a membership from tomorrow for 15 days, so that's done. So this was my first time actually going to an Indian gym and looking at an Indian gym, entering an Indian gym, because I've never went to a gym in India. While I was here in India earlier, I had never gone to a gym, and I've only gone to a gym in Germany. So that's what I'll be comparing everything with, right? So comparing it with Germany, the gym was nice, but anyways, okay, I will do a full comparison of everything about gym in Germany and gym in India after I start working out. But the best part about this gym here is that they have also yoga included, so I can also do or learn yoga for 15 days, which is very interesting, and I'm looking forward to it. We have completed 2 of our errands for the day. Now we go to the third, and yeah, come with me. So I'll take you along with me to my third errand, but you have to see this road. Do you see this here? That's my school. That's actually not this one. This is not my school. This is the boys' school, which is Canara High School Main, and mine was Canara High School Girls' School. So it is on the other side of the road. I'll show it to you someday. And this is the route I used to walk to my school. So this is a total nostalgic journey for me, walking on this path again after 20 years, I think. Yeah, after 20 years I'm walking on this route again. I used to walk here in uniform with my school bags in the same July month, and now I'm walking here vlogging on this road. You can see the backside of the school. Yeah, that's my school, guys. Can you imagine? I used to go there 15 years ago. How cool. This is the exact route I used to walk to school with my friends, Anjana, sometimes with Shruti. Oh my god, so many memories on these roads, because I cannot tell a lot of things on the vlog. I cannot tell it out loud, but if my friends are watching and if people from Bangalore are watching these vlogs, they will relate to it. Oh my god, there's so many stories on these roads about going to school, things that happened, things we did. Oh my god, nostalgia. This road makes me feel like I am 14 or 13 again. This here is the Mahamaya temple. So this is also one of the temples very close to my heart, because I always used to visit this temple as a kid with my mom, with my friends and everything. I also visit it now, so this is very close to my heart, and this is one of the very important temples in Kashrit to goddess Durga, Mahamaya. Yeah, you can clearly see her in the video as well. God bless us all. On this journey today, I am taking you to my childhood. Like directly, I am taking you with a one-way ticket to my childhood, because my childhood is here in Kashrit, in these roads, in these temples, in these eatery shops that you'll see later probably. But yeah, this place has my heart. As we go ahead, you can see one more temple there in the front. Let me zoom in. Yeah, this temple here, it's Sri Venkatraman temple. That is the main temple here in Kashrit, and yeah, that also is very close to my heart, because I used to visit it as a child before going to school in my school uniform. Is Sri Venkatraman temple. I will zoom in on the god because there are not many people. god here is called Veera Venkatesha. He is Venkatramana Balaji, and he is called Veera Venkatesha because he holds a katari or a dagger. Oh, how cool, right? And he's my favorite god. Already around 7 now, and this nostalgia ride with you. The next stop is my favorite pani puri place that I've been always eating since I used to go to school. Okay, so I used to eat there with my mom, with my friends while going to school, coming from school. So this is my most favorite pani puri place, and it is still the same. The pani puri still tastes exactly as good as it was earlier. But before we go to the pani puri store, we have one more thing to do, one more thing to buy. After that, let's eat pani puri. To buy some green chilies, so that's why I'm here. But so many options. Green chili is done. So that's the third thing that we had to do today. Buy green chilies, and now the last buy for the day. I don't know if she's there. The shopkeeper is there, and I have to buy from her, and then we eat pani puri. The pani puri guy is also there, I can see him, and then we go home. Where we are going next, the mango store there, to buy some mangoes. ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಹೇಗೆ 80 2 ಕಿಲೋ ಕೊಡಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ. The pani puri. Pani puri done. It was very yum. A little spicy, a little tangy, but just the way it used to taste when we were kids. Earlier, if you remember, I took a rickshaw on this way, the same way I came through this way route, and now I'm walking back because now it's not sunny. The weather is also good, and yeah, I can just walk because it's a very short walk. So this road is also very nostalgic, of course, because it's the road to my house. But the second reason is this on this road I and my best friend Anjana used to walk to go to our drawing class as kids. I'll show you Anjana's house. It's right there in front. I will show you that. And we used to walk to drawing class on this road. So yeah, this, like I told you already, this entire area has my childhood wrapped, and this entire area is my childhood coded. Okay, now you can't see me because there's no street. This is my best friend's building. My best friend's parents now live here, but my friend lives in the US. Oh, so nostalgia is something that can take you to any time of your life, and you can be there, you can enjoy that time again. Yeah, after a while you feel sad also because it's always good times. Now it's not like that. For example, my friend is not here now, but yeah, that's about life, but that's also about making new memories, right? If my stories about my childhood, my school days, my friends reminded you of your childhood or your childhood friends, ping them right now and also tell me that story in the comments. And this is all for today. We are home now. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.